Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance, guys. So that may give you more clarity or clear some doubts you have. So you can stay tuned for that, Sagittarius. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies. We have Eight of Moons in reverse, Devil in reverse, and Initiate of Moons. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe today you are quite concerned about someone. It may be towards someone in your family, guys. You are worrying about someone, anxious how things will go or what will happen. Maybe someone is recovering from some illness, so you are worried for that, maybe, guys, for some of you. And for some of you, I see that you are someone who is really, reliable and trustworthy, a very protective person. You protect the people you are with and you are greatly concerned about their welfare, and you are someone who is really loving and caring. That is the reason people are greatly attracted to you. They are attracted to your beautiful nature, that loving and caring nature, and they see you as someone irresistible. So you, maybe for some of you, you are even physically attractive. That may be the reason there are people attracted to your charm and beauty, Sagittarius. And Sagittarius, I also see that in your situation, you are concerning yourself with others. Just like I said in the beginning, guys, you have a lot of concern on someone. Maybe someone is going through a difficult phase in their life and you are trying to take care of this person. You are giving them ideas and suggestions what needs to be done. You are looking after them, literally, for some of you. So you do not have time for yourself, and people around you, they may appreciate your helping nature, your loving and caring nature. And it may be the person you love, guys. Maybe you are taking care of them. They are suffering from some illness or maybe some addictions. That may be the energy here. But though you are making a lot of strenuous efforts, you are facing a tough time. You have that confidence and you have that optimism in your heart, cheerfulness. You see things in a different way now. You are feeling really positive and you feel that you can handle any situation successfully, and you see things more clearly now. So maybe you were in some kind of a difficulty in your relationship before, guys, in your past. So now you see your circumstances more clearly with a much better clarity, and you know what has happened and what is the reason for certain things going in a particular way. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Sagittarius, for your general energy. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that what to say, or who have that total uh, you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.